We start with removing the OEM rear fender flares and liners by detaching 6 clips, 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. A tool can be used to help remove these clips, though do keep in mind that some of them are going to require a bit more time and effort to pop them off. This stock rear fender is going to require some serious effort to get it off, and this is because of these small white clips. They're designed for one-time use, they're easy to get, and there are 13 of them holding the rear fender to the side of the Jeep. With the OEM parts removed, we'll need to align and secure these 3 points as shown for the new fender liners. Grab a tool with the right Allen attachment. Then you can start to carefully slide in and align the new rear fender liner. Really take your time with the alignment, and when you're ready, start to screw and lock in the 3 points. Don't forget to tighten down everything, and you'll be finished with your install. You'll need some new fender liners to complete the look, as you'll be unable to reinstall the OEM fender flares at this point. Once you do, your off-road Jeep Beast will be more trail ready than ever before. Your new fender liners will provide solid protection from underneath and should live on your Jeep forever. Adventure awaits ahead.